Hello, the students of class 10th and 12th and those students who are the aspirant of NEET. Today I am teaching about the Mendel'S two very important postulates in which first postulate is principle of segregation, that is also known as purity of gamete. And today in front of you the second postulate, that is the Mendel-Diabride law, which is known as principle of independent assortment of factors, or it can be also known as Diabride Mendel's law. In this law, two factors crosses together from the F1 selfing gamete. Now I am in front of you about the independent assortment principle of Mendel law regarding with the seeds by the conducting of diabride. Parents plant differentiating two pairs of contrasting traits. A cross in which plants producing round and yellow seeds, and when the both seeds cross together producing wrinkle and round seeds, you have to suggesting that yellow is the dominant over green and round seed is dominant over wrinkle. When in F1 generation, by the selfing cross itself producing the one pair of unit factors will occur independently of the other pair. It means they will assort independently according to gamete when it combined as unit factor in equal frequently. Randomly distribution of unit factor combined as follows. During fertilization, each zygote will have equal probability of receiving one from each parent. Here we study one from each, that producing capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, that produce round and yellow. This will result into a progeny and producing 9 by 6, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That resulting a progeny 9 upon 16 are yellow and round. 3 of them are yellow and wrinkled. 3 of them also green and round, but 1 upon 16 this progeny that produce green and wrinkle. According to the law of independent assortment, yellow 3 by 4 combined with 3 by 4 of round seed, that is 9 by 16, produce yellow round, and 3 by 4 yellow and 1 by 4 wrinkle producing 3 by 16 yellow and wrinkle. Similarly, 1 by 4 green and 3 by 4 round combined to form 3 by 16 green and round, and 1 by green and 1 by yellow, that is wrinkle round, that producing 1 by 16 green and wrinkle. It means 9:3:3:1 of phenotypic result are occur by the dihybridization independent assortment, that is Mendel's dihybrid law of 2 factors when crosses together. According to the law of independent assortment by the Mendel, he selected a round pair seed, that is capital R, yellow pair seed, that is capital Y, wrinkle pair of seeds, a small r, and green pair of seed, that is a small y in pair. In F1 generation from P generation, when crossing over self in F1, gamete cross itself, and overcrossing in F2 generation, all theirs round and a yellow pair of the progeny. In this way, according to independent assortment of Mendel dihybrid law, we come to result about the phenotypic and genotypic, which are different in ratios. That is, phenotypic is round yellow in 9 is to round green is 3, wrinkle yellow is 3 and wrinkle green is 1 in phenotypic ratios. That is given as phenotypic ratios round yellow 9 is to round green is to 3 is to wrinkle yellow is to 3 and wrinkle green that is in ratio 1. Phenotypic ratio yellow, round yellow in 9 by 16, round green 3 by 16, green yellow 3 by 16 and wrinkle green 1 by 16. Now the genotypic ratio RRYY is to RRYY small y is to small r YY. YY, yellow is capital where R is small. RRYY, round yellow. RRYY is to RRYY is to RRYY is to RRYY. The ratio of round yellow, and wrinkle yellow and green, yellow and wrinkle green. These are 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1 is to 4 is to 2 is to 2 4:1 is to 2:1. It means the total number of progenies are 16, where progeny in phenotype is 16 and where genotypic ratio and total number of progenies are also 16. These are the Mendel's hybrid law. This law is very supported for the tenth and 12th students and also useful for the NEET aspirant or candidate. Thanking you for watching the videos and online class, and your attention also support me for up step in the online classes. For this I am very obliged thanking you, and some message to you. If the plan of independent assortment hybrid law is easier and very successful and very important to you, then subscribe it, like it and share it very promptly. Thanking for next visit.